Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make a very budget amplifier board of consists of two channels which can operated through Bluetooth and which is capable of giving output up to 15 watt. We are using only simple components, like this is a 4 channel connector in which one wire is cutted down, and these are the two connector for Bluetooth modules only. We are using 3 wires and only a 12012 transformer, and this is our amp board which is consists of 6283 IC and 7805 for direct input of the 5 volt for the Bluetooth module. So as you can see on the board, these are the connectors from left, ground, right, and these are the 4 connectors for the output channel. And as you can see this side, this is an input for the 0 and 12, and at the back it has output for the 7805, and this one is ground. So we will connect. First of all, we need to watch the transformer wires carefully. So for this board we need to use only 2 wires, center one or any one of the first or third one. So we are neglecting number 1 wire. We are using 2 and 3, and these are connectors for input and output. We will use it later. First connect the transformer. For board, here is our 0 and here is 12 volt. So we will connect it. And here is our 12 volt. So we will connect it here. Now our input wire is connected. We need to add some flux to it for its continuous soldering. We have connected it well. Now we need to give input for this 2 wire for the power supply for the Bluetooth module. So first of all we need to connect and be carefully watch which one is 5 volt and which one is negative. As you can see, this one is the 5 volt and this one is the ground. So if you watch the wire carefully, the blank wire is the 5 volt and this wire is an minus, which is the lining wire. So we will connect it at the back. So if you are able to see it, here is our ground wire and here is the positive one. So first of all we will soldering our ground wire and our positive one. It is connected well. Now time for this input wire. So input is also very clear, because if you are able to see here, you can see DAC right and DAC left, in left and right, and center one is the ground. So clear our left, right and ground. So we will connect. Only we need to focus on the center one and we will connect it. First wire to the first one, ground wire to the center, and our third wire to the third one. It is connected now. Now we need to connect these wires. So the first one is the left and center 2 is ground, and the fourth one is the right one. So we will connect here like this, and now we need to focus it on connecting. We need to connect on this side or this side. So if you are able to see, the ground wire is the red one is the ground wire. So we will solder it here. We need to add some flux to it. Now red one is the ground one. It's up, man. It's not working so good. We're using on the flux on this one. Now it is. Now this is the right one. Now we have connected all these 3 wires. Now our system is ready. Here are our 2 wires. Now here we need to connect the power line of 220 volts. Here I have connected the power line. Now reduce the it is in the Bluetooth mode. We will reduce the volume to 15. Now we will connect our to these wires. Now both channels are working. And phone. We need to first search, as it is already paired on me right now. It is when written 008 BT. Now we will play some song.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. shadow turns to sun rays, and on